Hello everyone, and welcome back to C++ Mastery. In today's video, we're going to create a text-to-speech application using Python and tkinter. Here we have a Python script that utilizes the pytexx3 library for text-to-speech conversion and tkinter for building the graphical user interface.
Hello everyone, how are you? 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 Hello everyone, how are you?
Before we dive into the code, let me show you how to set up your development environment in Visual Studio Code. First, you'll need to create a folder for your project. Open Visual Studio Code and navigate to the folder you've created. Then, create a new Python file with any name and the .py extension. To install the required library, open the integrated terminal in Visual Studio Code. Type the command pip install pytsx3. This will download and install the pytsx3 library that we'll be using in our project. Don't forget to like,
Hello.
share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.